Hello guys, welcome back again. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. In today's video I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home because I do my own nails. I don't get them done. So if you guys are interested to see how I do my nails at home, then keep on watching. But first, please subscribe, hit that red button and also ring the bell to get post notification every single time I'm posting a new video because it's fun, it's free. Why not? Join my community, I guess. Please subscribe, okay? And also I'm going to do subscriber of the day. In today's video I'm going to shout out Nadine, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Thank you so much for your support. Mwah. Thank you. So oh my god, I got lipstick on my fingers. Okay, so if you want to see how I do my nails, then keep on watching, I guess. Oh, I'm such a mess. Okay, so first of all, huge disclaimer, I am not a nail professional, nail tech, nail artist, whatever you want to call it. I'm not, okay? I just do my own nails at home. I did watch a few YouTube tutorials to have an idea like what are the steps, how you should prep the nails, blah blah blah, all that stuff. I'm going to talk about that in the video, but I've been doing my nails for about 5 months now using the PolyGel because this is what I'm going to use to achieve this cute nails. I think they are cute. I got this last year when I filmed that video as seen on Facebook. I had no idea how to use this. I was following a very short mini clip that I saw on Facebook and I thought it was that easy to get cute nails, and it wasn't. The way I'm using this is just with the brush. So I'm working this on my nail like I was using a gel shaper, a gel. This polygel is pretty thick, like the formula is pretty thick, so you can work very easily. It's not runny, so it's not messy, but it's very sticky, so you want to use like a rubbing alcohol. I do have this poly liquid. It came in the set with the brush, the dual forms, a nail file I think, and the polygel. So this was a set I bought on Amazon. I think it was 16 euros, I'm not sure. So I came to the conclusion that this is what works the best for me, and also it's very easy for me to do my nails this way. If you are a nail professional, you totally disagree with me, but it's fine. This is what works for me, so that's that. This is in the shade Pearl Pink and it has this beautiful pinkish color, very similar to this color right here. You can totally wear this as it is, just apply a top coat on top and you're good to go. And also I discovered this girl on YouTube. She's doing her nails with polygel and also she's using dual forms. I'm going to link her video down below, but she explains everything so nice that makes you believe you can do your nails this fast, this easy. You are a professional. I'm not even joking. Go watch her video after watch my video, of course. But I'm going to have her link down below, and oh my god, she explains everything so good. If you know me, you know that I'm bad at explaining things. I don't know, I just like to show what I'm doing, not to talk, because I'm not good at talking, as we know. Anyway, also I'm using this LED, mini LED lamp. It has only 3 LED lights, but it works, it's good, it works for me. So this is what I have, this is what I'm using. You can use UV lamp or LED lamp. So I'm using this because, as I said, it works. Also I got this from Amazon and it was 3 euros. 3 euros. How cheap is that? Wow, mind-blowing. And also I skipped the part where I filed the old polygel that I had on top, but I was using this, wow, I was using this nail electric file. I don't know how this is called. I use this to remove the old polygel that I had on my nails, and if you have this at home, please be very gentle. This is intense. You can damage your nails this fast, so please be very gentle. And again, I'm not a nail professional, I'm not a nail artist, I'm not a nail tech, whatever you want to call it. I'm not. I just do my own nails at home at my own risk. If you don't like what you see in this video, please go and do your own research, educate yourself, and also go watch the video that I'm going to list down below. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video because I feel like I rambled enough. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. I really hope the angle is okay, also the lighting. So these are my nails. I did them about 2 weeks and a half ago, and usually they do last me a little bit longer, but this time I don't know what happened, but they all left, and I am not happy about that because my hair gets stuck in there, and oh my god, we have a situation. So I'm going to remove them and I'm going to redo them. As you can see, I already did my right hand because it takes me forever to do my right hand, and I'm going to remove this gel polish with my electric file. So I'm not going to include this in the video because again this takes me forever. I have to be very careful not to touch my nail and also not to damage my nails I'm sorry, my nails, because you don't want that. So I'm going to file down all the nails and I'm going to be back. If you guys want me to show you how I file down my nails, I mean honestly it's just bzzz, you know, a lot of bzzz. Okay, so as you can see, I completely removed the polygel. These are my natural nails. They're kind of long, so I'm going to trim them a little bit and I'm going to go with this shape right here. So yeah, I'm going to trim them a little bit. And now I'm going to file them. Look at this. Okay, so I just finished shaping them. Next I'm going to buff a little bit, very gently. And then I'm going to wash my hands with warm water because I want to soften out the cuticles because I don't have a cuticle oil. So I'm going to wash my hands with with warm water. And then I'm going to push them back and then I'm going to cut them. So gently I'm going to buff them out. So I'm going to gently push them back like this. And you can totally leave them like this. But because I'm a maniac, I'm going to cut them out because I don't like when they dry out and they look crusty. So I'm going to cut them. So you can totally use this thing, but I don't like it. I like to go with my mini scissor because I feel like I'm more precise when I'm cutting the cuticles. And you probably wonder, girl, what cuticles you don't have? But I know there's cuticles in there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to cut them. You see, there's cuticles in there. My cat. She wants to come here. I have the door closed. Mish! ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué? Michi. Okay, next I'm going to take some nail polish remover and a cotton pad. And I'm going to wipe my nails if there's any dust or oils, whatever I have left. Next I'm going to go with a gel base, and sometimes I like to use only this bonder primer without the gel base. I found this to work as well with the polygel, but I used this last time and as you saw all my nails were lifted. I don't know what's the deal. Probably I didn't prep well my nails, but these two really work together. And as I said, today I'm going to use a gel base. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of this base coat. And I try to stay away from the cuticles, but it's so hard for me. I don't know what's going on. I can't stay away from them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, probably that's why the polygel is lifting, because I'm touching the cuticles. But as I said, I can't stay away from them. It's like impossible not to touch them, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to cure this for about 60 seconds. You can cure this for about 40 seconds as well, but I'm not going to interrupt this. I'm going to let it do his thing. Okay, next I have this little glass and I'm going to pour some poly liquid. You can use alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. It works just fine because the polygel is super sticky and you want something to control it. So I'm going to pour a little bit. Also, I'm going to clean the brush with this poly liquid. And I'm going to need my paper towel so I can remove the excess liquid like this. Okay, so next I'm going to take my polygel and I'm going to apply it directly on the nail. You can totally use dual form, but I don't really like to work with this just because my nails are kind of weird. I don't know if you can see that, but okay, let's try right here. So my nails are kind of weird, so they don't stick. I don't know, it's weird, okay? So I'm going to apply this directly on the nail, as I said. So I'm going to try to use as small product as I can because then you have to file it down and more work for you. So I think that's enough. I hope you can see. And again, I'm going to wet my brush. And then I'm going to spread this all over the nail. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to try to make this as even as possible. As I said, I can't stay away from those damn cuticles, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm going to try to file that when I'm going to cure this. So I find this technique being the easiest way to use this polygel, like in my case, and it works for me. Probably is not the best, so I think this is good to be cured. I'm going to do that. And again, don't worry, don't stress if you have like little bumps or it's not even. I'm going to file that and it will look okay. Okay, next I'm going to take again my nail polish remover and this cotton pad, and I'm going to remove this sticky residue that this has. So now I can move on and do the next nail. So as you can see, this is not perfect. I still have to file this down. As I said, I have a little bit of extra product right here. I'm going to remove that. No worries, but it looks okay. I mean, in my opinion, it looks pretty okay. Okay, so again, repeating the same steps. I'm going to take a little bit of product on my nail, and with the brush, I'm going to work. And again, I have some extra product that I don't want. So this polygel is pretty easy to work with. It's more like a gel, but a little bit more thick, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try to remove this. I always apply way too much product, but it's okay. And this one came out pretty nice as well. I'm going to cure it. And this looks pretty nice, if I say so myself. And I'm not gonna lie, it kind of burns like when you go and cure it. If you can't handle that, just take it out and then put that back in, because you still have to cure that. But I can handle the heat, like it's not that crazy intense. Next, I'm going to remove the sticky residue again with my nail polish remover. And then I'm going to move on with my other nails. And this is how they look before I file and reshape them. I think I nailed it. I mean, they look pretty decent. I'm happy with how they turned out. As I said, I still have to reshape them a little bit, and you can totally rock this color. I think it's a super pretty pinky girly color, but because it's summertime I want to rock some bright colors. So next I'm going to take my file and I'm going to start reshaping them reshaping them. Wow. Next I'm going to take my buffer and I'm going to buff this out to create a smooth surface. In my opinion, the polygel is way much easier to work with than the acrylic powder or the gel polish. I don't know, I feel like it has the right consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too runny, so it's very manageable. I don't know much about nails, but I don't know, I feel like the polygel is very beginner friendly. So, I mean, that's just my opinion, but I really like this polygel. I don't know, let me know down below what do you think. Alright you guys, so this is the finished result. Obviously they look much better because I did them with my dominant hand, and yeah, they look way much better on my left hand, but it's okay. Next I'm going to go with the color gel, and this changes by temperature. I mean, look how gorgeous it is. But wait to see it on my nails. I got this on AliExpress and oh my god, mind blowing. Okay, so this is the final look, and honestly I think I applied 4 coats on this hand because I was distracted. It's okay, it's okay. And I think I'm going to decorate these 2 nails because I just found this AliExpress nail decoration. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to stick them on top. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, so I guess that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any questions, and as I said in the intro, I'm going to have listed down below all the products that I used in today's video, including the glitters that I have on these 2 nails. Also I have 2 right here in my inner corners because fun. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. LED, LED. You see, my brain is not working. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm such a mess. I hope I can edit this to be like very short. Oh my god. What was that?